little one? Are you behind the reeds?
Far and near, little duckling, I know you're here. She heard a tiny quack, 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 and 5 little ducklings came running back. 5 little ducklings waddled home. No more wandering, no more roam. Mama duck, hawk, quack, quack, hooray! All 5 little ducklings were safe that day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cut back. 5 little ducklings are coming back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hooray! 5 little ducklings had a wonderful
Please subscribe to our channel.
You smile!
And don't forget to smile!